Welcome to the Regional Admin Operations demo. In this demo, we'll walk through the major management operations a regional admin can perform within the Anna Darpan system. These include role management, rail station management, port management, contract management, and scheme allocation management. Each operation ensures smooth depot functioning, efficient logistics handling, and proper system access control. Role management allows the regional admin to control who can access what within the system. This includes assigning roles, approving them, and mapping users to multiple depots. Assigning role to an HRMS user. The regional admin selects an HRMS synced employee and assigns an operational role that aligns with their responsibilities. This ensures users only access modules relevant to their job. Approval of assigned role to a user. When a role is submitted, the admin reviews the details and approves it to activate permissions. This step maintains security by preventing unauthorized access. Assigning multiple depots to a user. The admin can map a single user to several depots to support cross-location tasks. Each depot mapping determines where the user can perform operational activities. Rail station management enables regional admins to configure and maintain rail-related operational points used for goods movement. Add rail station. The admin creates a new rail station entry by filling in required operational details. This ensures the station becomes selectable for rail-based receipt or dispatch workflows. Add or edit rail station. Existing rail station details can be updated anytime to reflect name changes or operational adjustments. Editing ensures the system always mirrors real-time logistics structures. Add railhead depot mapping. The regional admin maps railheads to specific depots to establish correct transportation routing. This mapping guides the system on which depot receives commodities from which railhead. Port management allows the regional admin to manage port data that supports coastal movement and import-related activities. Add port. The admin enters new port information into the system, enabling its use during coastal and import operations. This ensures ports are available during commodity receipt or dispatch planning. Port list. The admin reviews all registered ports to verify current operational data. From here, they can edit or validate port attributes when corrections are needed. Add port depot mapping. This mapping connects each port to designated depots so that commodity movement routes are correctly defined. It ensures the system understands how goods should flow from ports to inland storage points. Contract management helps the regional admin onboard and manage contractors who handle transportation and coastal logistics. In contract management, the regional admin adds new contractors and reviews their details through the contractor list. They create transport and coastal contractor records, define terms, and assign depots or ports. Pending lists help verify and approve contracts, while the finalized transport and coastal contractor lists provide a clear view of all active service providers ready for operations. Through scheme allocation management, the regional admin manages government scheme quantities assigned to depots for distribution. Commodity distribution. The admin creates scheme allocation entries by selecting commodity, scheme, and allocation period. This ensures depots receive the correct quantity defined for welfare programs. Commodity distribution list. This list displays all allocation records, allowing the admin to review, track, or update entries. It ensures transparent monitoring of government scheme distributions. This concludes the regional admin features overview. The user can manage roles, ports and rail station configurations, contractors, and scheme allocations effectively, ensuring smooth, accurate, and compliant regional operations. Thank you.